Hi, I'm Mr. Will, your English companion. In the last grammar video, we talked about simple questions with the verb do. Do you speak English? A little bit? Does she need help? We can add question words to these simple questions to get more information. Our question words usually begin with WH, which most of the time makes a W sound. W. For example, what, when, where, why, who. Wait a minute, that one is a little bit different. In this case, the WH makes a H sound. Who. How is also very common. And this one's a little different too because it doesn't start with WH. It just starts with H. But it also makes a H sound. How. Who do you live with? Do you live with your wife or your husband? Do you live with your children? Do you live with your friend? Do you have a roommate? Do you live with your parents? Or maybe you live alone, like me. Where do they live? Do you know? Where do they live? They live in Argentina. They're watching a soccer game and they're wearing the colors of their flag. Here's a trivia question for you. When do we celebrate our independence in the United States? Do you know? When do we celebrate our independence? We celebrate our independence on July 4th. July 4th is Independence Day, or just the 4th of July. What does he do for a living? Do you know? He's a fireman, or a firefighter. How often do you practice English? Every day? Learning English is really important, but why? Why does it have to be so hard? Why? And how do you learn English? I'll have some recommendations for you at the end of this video. Now we can also use questions with don't or doesn't. Why doesn't he wear a jacket? It's freezing. He's wearing a t-shirt. What doesn't he understand about hypothermia? Do you like learning English? No? Why don't you like it? Or what don't you like about it? Everybody likes learning English, right? It's fun. We can use the expression, why don't you, to make recommendations or suggestions or to give advice. Why don't you practice English a little bit every day? Why don't you watch some movies in English and read the subtitles? Why don't you listen to some music in English? There's lots of great songs. Why don't you watch one of my videos every day? My videos are short. They're very short and very informative. These are not questions. They're not questions. They're suggestions. They're recommendations. I'm giving you advice. Why don't you ask me some questions in the comment section below, and I'll answer them? Why don't you subscribe to my channel? Good idea.